Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing this look right here. I use the CARLI BYBEL palette today, and guys, not only is this palette so beautiful in color, beautiful and everything, but the colors inside, like, they're so pretty. This is like such a pretty palette. So I've had this palette for a little while. I haven't used it or anything or done anything with it. As soon as I got it, I was like, oh my god. I put it as a display in my beauty room, and then I just like would look at it and I'm like, oh, like trying to think of something to do with it and something different. But hey, sometimes people do the same things, it's just a different technique. One person might do it this way, another person might do it that way, and you know, everyone follows someone different, and maybe my technique can help someone rather than the technique that someone else did. But CARLI BYBEL, I love her. I've been following her for years. I can't even remember. It's more than 4 years, to be honest. Way more than 4 years, more than 5 years. I started following her when I was probably in hair school. I was going to beauty school, and I got into makeup. I got into like a bunch of things, and she was probably the first person that I started to follow, and you know, the makeup tricks and stuff. And I loved it. I love her. I love her so much. She's so humble. She's amazing. Say hi. Blow a kiss. Give a kiss. He sees himself in the monitor. Oh, he's blowing kisses. Ah. All right. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah, I guess that's enough talking, and Lucas obviously wants to keep sending you guys kisses and blowing kisses to you guys. But let's get into the video. I've done enough talking, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Hey there again, guys. So my face is already done, and we're just going to be focusing on the eyes in this tutorial. And the first thing I'm going to go in with is my all-time fave, which is the P. Louise base, and this is in the color Rumour 2. And I start off by just carving out the brows, just because I used to just carve them out with a different concealer, and then I would go on with this, and I was just like, that's too much product on there, and I stopped that, and I just used the base to carve them out. And then I start to just pull that base down onto my eyelid to prep it and get it ready for that shadow. Then I go in with my ring finger and I just pat it down and make sure that there's no creasing on the lid before I start the application of the eyeshadow. Now going in and using the CARLI BYBEL palette by ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. Oh, this palette is beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. And the first color we're dipping into is that color Chai. Now using this Pro blending brush by Beauty Junkies, it's actually a taper blending brush, I'm applying this color right above the crease. I also lift the brow just to get in there a little bit better. And then going in with the color Stev, I will be packing that into the inner corner, and then I also pack it into the outer corner, starting that little halo effect, you know? And I go back and forth packing this color on until I get the desired color, and I'm using a Morphe M433, by the way, for this. Then I connect the two, creating that little halo effect, and then I go back in with that tapered blending brush and blend the two colors in together. The next color I'll be dipping into is the color Bare in this palette, and I'll be applying that right on the brow bone, and I'm using a Beauty Junkies angled brush as well. And using the P. Louise base once again, I'm using it to pretty much cut the halo. I usually apply this at the bottom, and then I look up. You guys will see it happen again or go down on the other eye. And to do this, I am using a Wet n Wild flat brush. Now going into the color Moo on this palette, I'm using this is a flat brush that I have, and there's no name or anything on it anymore, but I'm applying that right to the center of the eye, right where I want all the attention to go. And then I go back in, and I'm using, this is a brush by the Makeup Shack T82, and I'm just applying the color Stev again and just blending it into Moo and kind of giving it a little blended halo effect going in there, if that makes sense. And I do go back and forth with these colors until they are blended the way I want them to. Now checking myself out and pulling the hair back, I fixed that halo. And then going in with this Cake Pencil by Kat Von D. This is a bomb, you guys. It is black, and very creamy. Yep, I recommend it. Then I smudged that out, and I used the Morphe M561. Going back into Stev to smoke it out using the Morphe E37 brush. And then I go back into the Morphe M561 and blend both colors out. Make sure to blend really good. Now going in this matte palette by Karity, I'm using the shade Disturbia since CARLI's didn't have a black. And I'm applying that right on top of that Cake Pencil. And when I blended this out, I did dip into the color Stev once more, just so that it could pop a little bit. Yes, I connected that top corner with the bottom corner. Using this Alamad Cosmetics brightening brush to get rid of any fallout. Lashes of choice were these by Arison Lashes. I applied them and didn't like them with this look, but it is what it is. Then I go ahead and apply some mascara, and this is Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Then I apply this to my waterline, which is my favorite thing to use, and this is by Rimmel London, and this is in the color Exaggerate. It just makes my eyes look bigger because I have small eyes. And the bottom lashes, I use L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And that is it, you guys. Alright, you guys, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification symbol so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Bye!